There's Lil Mama, Baby Mama, Elsie. Sprightly has like a long white ridge down her back.
Big Little, certainly. And then Shigor.
She's been the cow that misplaces her baby the most. She's always rushing around, trying like, where did I put my baby?
Yeah. Diana Ross.
Creamy Udders.
And Bartholomew.
Millhouse.
And Cindy.
Large Marge.
And Grandma Shirley. We were really surprised when she had a baby last year. I was like, really, Grandma Shirley? You're still making babies? Nippy Milkshake. Daisy.
Crookshanks, Prima, and Quentin. It's easily one of my favorite things is to just watch them have a good time.
When we got here, there was about 17 cows living on site, and we totally fell in love with them, connected with their gentle spirits. Now we are living alongside them. This is baby Gautier right here. I feel very connected to all of my animals, but I have this feeling that I was sent into her life to save her. We also have Stevie Nicks. We got her and baby Gautier at the same time. And she is definitely an alpha female.
She's a diva for sure.
She's a diva, but she's really majestic. She changes colors twice a year. They really are the catalyst that brought us out here. What do you guys think?